Hello, mate.
Yo, bro.
How are you doing?
What's up now?
Yeah, here we are somewhere outside of Tbilisi. The city is down near big. I wasn't thinking there was something this beautiful near Tbilisi. This is my birthday gift to Thomas. Cool, right?
It's fucking cool.
Is it your size?
Yo!
Wow, that was quick. Yeah, we have a fire here. Yeah, good view on Tbilisi. Some car. And yeah, we are working on barbecue plan here. What's up? He wants some meat, right?
Yeah, but he's not getting it.
Oh, it's already marinated. Right. Where did you get it?
I did it myself.
Nice. I don't know how to do it. I will take care of the fire, okay?
Yeah, do it.